All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel where we do everything Colts way. Look, what we're going to do today is go over a topic that was really aggravated me at first when I first bought my Super Duty. I leveled it and put 37s on it, and every time you drive it at night, I was getting flashed. I mean, you couldn't pass a car. He was flashing. It got aggravating, like really bad. And when I first got my truck, I didn't know how to adjust the headlights. So what I'm going to do today is just kind of go over how to do that, just so if anybody's having this question online, they can look it up and figure it out. I've already raised the hood real quick. I'm just gonna kind of go over where it's at. I'm gonna show you how to do it at night so you can see the difference. But so my lights are already adjusted, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise the driver's side light up, and when I go in here, I'm gonna pull it up against this wall and you'll be able to see the difference. But in order to find the screw, what you want to do is you're going to go to the headlight right here on the edge, come up, you're going to see a little hole with a flat, just right there. It just takes a Phillips head screwdriver right there, plastic threaded Phillips head. I think this one's actually raised a little bit more so you can see it a little bit better, but this is what it looks like. So let me get class in there. All it is a Phillips head. But what you do is you just get your Phillips head in there, turn it, I believe, clockwise to lower it, and counterclockwise raises the bulb. But I mean, I've got LED lights in mine, and I don't get flashed at all anymore. And they're 10 times brighter than the stock lights, than the stock halogens. But once it gets dark, I'll pull in the garage and we'll go over this real quick. It won't take long. I just kind of want to show you the difference and in order so you can fix this problem, because it is aggravating. But just stay tuned, and if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, and it helps. I appreciate y'all, and we'll get back when it's dark later. All right, guys, hopefully the lighting isn't too terribly bad in here. I got it as best I could, and it's not quite dark outside, but you can see it good enough to where I can still show you what I'm doing on the truck. I've got the truck set up right now. As you can see, I got my Phillips head right in there, stick right in there, and the driver's side is up a lot higher. So if you turn it counterclockwise, it goes up. I don't know if y'all can see that, hopefully. All right, I'm maxed out now. So now I turn it clockwise just like this. You can see it if I get close enough. You ought to be able to see it going down. Now all you do is just get it on a flat surface, and you're gonna wanna get the two lines. So I'm just twisting just like this, and that's pretty close. A little bit more. I think that's pretty close to me. But guys, as you can see, it's super simple. That's all you do. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I had the factory LED C-beam lights, I wouldn't do this. I've heard of too many people's C-beam lights adjusting it, and it breaks, and then you have to pay for it. So if you have the factory LED lights, I'm going to give you a word of advice. What I would do, I would go to the dealership and have them adjust them, because if they break them, they got to pay for them. If you try to do it yourself and it breaks, you're out a lot of money, because those are expensive. The halogens, I've never had an issue adjusting them. It's super simple, and that's all it is. Counterclockwise, like I said, goes up, clockwise goes down, and it's super simple. And if you do that, lower them down a good bit, I promise you, you're not going to get flashed near as much, and it's super simple. If that helped you, like I said, I appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe, and thanks for watching the channel, and we'll grow this together. Appreciate y'all.